Make sure you aim good.
Don't punch me.
Oh my
What
God.
the?
So I can get arrested.
Aim it that way. You're not gonna get arrested.
Over the water?
Yeah.
Will it clear it?
No. Oh yeah, don't clear those trees. Don't go down into the pond.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Oh shit, that's a good one. Yeah, I cleared those trees.
American air cannons is awesome.
Dude.
Wow, that went
Yeah!
over.
I lost focus of it.
That's okay.
I lost focus of it.
How far is that?
I
Went
lost
to the
focus
middle
of it.
the lake?
Yeah, it went out in
In the
the.
middle? I
Yeah.
thought it went all the way over.
No, look at the. Look, it went to the middle. See the pond?
Yeah.
I see the ripples.
How
Yeah.
far is that?
Can you zoom in on the ripples? Trip on that.
How far do you think that is?
That's got to be 100, 150 yards.
Oh, easy.
Man, that thing shoots far.